Wait till I get my money right. Bet you then she'll fuck me right. Bet you then she'll fuck me long. Do anything just so she'll be on. Nigga, fuck your blogs, nigga, fuck your statements. The fuck you thinking? Nah, ain't doing no more favors. Never need a nigga just to make me famous. Lil nigga flow go crazy, and them other niggas can't tame it. Flame it, blame it. All of the niggas that doubt it. All y'all niggas some cowards. All y'all niggas step up and get devoured. 6 feet deep with a bouquet of flowers. Tell me what am I supposed to do? Cause respect for mine is so overdue. I'm the best in it, just pay attention, take a closer view. Cause ain't nothing like them and ain't nothing like you. These niggas change like Park in the booth. Can't trust hoes, don't trust dudes. I buy your bitch like pay-per-view. I set the standards, I dare you to. What's competition? Come show me proof. This God flow, this Jesus Christ that say a prayer before I sleep at night. I'm still sinning, don't be offended. My dick intended for a Spanish wife. This chest home and I checkers. Niggas ain't playing with you, no action figures. What I'm supposed to do?
Yeah, they keep telling me that I'm the best in the country, and I like how that sounds. You think you're Superman, I get the kryptonite and bring you right back down. Yeah, you know the drill, I kill MCs till it's overkill. But how many more am I supposed to kill?